Hey everyone, meet Brandon here. Have you ever gone to your faucet and realized that it's like super loose and you're like, what is wrong? I can turn it on, it works, but like, I don't think it should be like that. It should be firm like this. I've already fixed this one. So there's two things that could be. There could be a piece that pops off right here. Sometimes it might be right there, kind of look like that. Or on this model, you actually twist this section right here, and I already got it loose, guys, but you just twist it. So you got to keep this kind of firm, and it took me a little bit of elbow grease to get this loose, but it will spin. Hopefully you can see it spinning, and then it comes loose. Look at that. And then inside, hopefully you can see it, you just need a little Phillips to tighten that. So you just need one tool, throw that Phillips in there, tighten it, put it back on, and you are good to go. Sorry about the noise in the background. Hit thumbs up if you like that video. Hopefully save you time and money in 1 minute. Thanks. Bye-bye.